Hi! Today we are highly excited as we would be completing our 30 days challenge of reading stories. But we will not stop here. We will continue to make videos on moral stories as well as other educational subjects. We will keep our fundraising page open for anyone who still wants to contribute. Our today's story is The Frogs and the Ox. The moral of the story is, do not attempt the impossible. Once upon a time, an ox came down to a pool to drink some water. As he splashed heavily into the water, he crushed a young frog into the mud. The old frog soon missed the little one and asked his brothers and sisters what had become of him. A great big monster stepped on little brother with one of his huge feet, said one of them. Big was he, said the old frog, puffing herself up. Was he as big as this? Oh, much bigger, they cried. The frog puffed up still more. He could not have been bigger than this, she said. But the little frogs all said that the monster was much, much bigger, and the old frog kept puffing herself out more and more until all at once she burst. The moral of the story is, do not attempt the impossible. I hope you have enjoyed our today's story. Our quiz for today is, what is the longest river in the world? Answer is River Nile in Egypt. Its length is 6,650 kilometers. I hope you have learned something new today. Please make sure that you like, subscribe and share our videos. Remember, our fundraiser for any interest is still open and you can find the link down below. I'll see you tomorrow with a new story. Bye bye.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the so high, like a diamond, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Must go round and round. Round and round, round and round, and my bus go round and round all day long. Let Daddy bus go shish 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 shish. Then Daddy bus go shish 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 all day long. See smaller.